Experiencing recording issues with your Spectrum Xumo DVR? You're not alone. The good news is that many issues are easily resolved. These DVR recording failures often stem from connectivity, software glitches, or hardware problems. First, try the most basic step. Restart your Xumo box. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, verify your internet connection using Spectrum's speed test within the Spectrum app or website. A stable connection of at least 25 megabytes is crucial for reliable recording. If your Wi-Fi is weak, consider moving your Xumo box closer to the router or using an Ethernet cable for a direct connection. Also, ensure your Spectrum Xumo app and device firmware are up to date. Outdated software can cause conflicts and recording failures. Check for updates in the app settings or device menu. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, delve deeper. Utilize the Spectrum app's Quick Diagnose tool, which can remotely reset your DVR and identify firmware issues. Also, access the DVR menu to check for error logs, which might indicate specific problems. Spectrum has rolled out an AI-powered recording assistant that automatically reschedules failed recordings and notifies you via the Spectrum app. Make sure this feature is enabled if available to you. Preventing future issues involves regular maintenance. Reboot your Xumo box monthly to avoid data corruption. With Spectrum moving towards cloud-centric DVRs, consider upgrading your plan to utilize cloud DVR storage, which offers 500 hours of storage on select plans and reduces reliance on physical hardware. If you're in a rural area with spotty internet, consider using a mesh Wi-Fi extender to stabilize connections. Remember, Spectrum reports a 70% resolution rate for common DVR issues through these self-help tools. So try these steps before contacting support.